Here I've got OnePlus7 Pro, and let me show you how to set up colors on the following device. So at first open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should go to display, so it's under apps and notifications, and at first you can change the brightness of your device. So as you can see, just by sliding on the scale you can change the brightness. You can also pick the adaptive one by tapping on this switcher, and this option will optimize brightness level for available light. So as you can see, you can do it manually or automatically, and then you can pick screen calibration over here, and now you can pick the colors that you like most. So this is the vivid. Here you can check it on different scenes, then the natural or advanced options. So here you can pick one from the following options, and also you can change the temperature of the colors, so it can be warmer or cooler. So it's just up to you. Now you can personalize the display, so you can pick the colors that you like mostly. Let me pick vivid because this is my favorite one, and then let me pick the highest brightness. So that's it. This is how you can change the brightness and all the display colors. You can change it whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.